In this video tutorial, what we're going to do in furtherance of adding content now is we are going to quickly add 2 or 3 maybe blog posts just so we could start to build the content of our pages. So what we're going to do once we add those posts is we'll publish these blog posts, and then we will get into adding, going back or doubling back around, and we will begin to just add some simple content to our regular pages. With that said, to add blog posts, what we do is we want to hover above posts. We want to go to all posts, keeping in mind that you can also get your posts. You can also add new and do some other things here, but we want to keep this as basic as possible. So again, we want to click on all posts, and what you could see now is that this is the default post that comes with the install. Unlike pages, we don't begin with our blog posts anyway with simply changing a title. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to move this to trash. Now once we move this to trash, what we want to encourage you to do is go to trash, and anything you don't absolutely need, we always make it a habit of deleting that permanently, simply because there could be tag title conflicts that kind of mess up your titling and your CO or your optimization and some other things. So with that, we'll go back to all posts just to make sure we're refreshing it. And we're going to go ahead for our first blog post anyway, is we're going to click add new. So once we click add new, it's just like setting up a page. You want to put your title in. So we just grab some of our posts, previous posts or what have you, and we're just going to copy out those posts out off of a simple Word document. And let us tell you, this is just we love the TinyMCE editor, and we copied. We're just going to copy this content in, and we'll talk while we go. We strongly always teach and suggest to students that they create their content in a Word document. And we say that because as robust as this is, this editor here, it's not as robust as the editor in a Word document for formatting, for even spell checks. Of course, there's a spell check feature on the WordPress HTML editor, but you want to get a clean look at it. In blog posts, even if you toggle it or make the screen wider, it just doesn't give the same look. And most people are used to creating Word documents, but very few are used to creating just straight raw posts on the platform. So we suggest that, however, you do what's best for your products and services. So what we're going to do quickly is we'll title this. Now, once we title this, we will, let's see here. Let's see what our title is here. So our title is CO, yeah, so this is CO, keyword CO. So it's an internet marketing related topic. So we'll just call this CO keywords. Now, typically, once you get efficient, what you will find is you will create a topic quick enough here, or you will title your article, and the importance of this cannot be stated enough for you to geo-target your audience by search habits or keywords they've already formed, and we teach that in our WordPress SEO series. We strongly suggest you take that. Nevertheless, what will happen, and you'll see that in the next post, is you'll title this quickly enough that your title will automatically change to your page tag. However, that didn't happen this time. So always make sure that whatever your title is, that is what your page tag is. And should it not be, all you want to do is click that, edit, and match your topic here, your title, and it's just best for search engine visibility. Trust us on that. Once you put your title in, your hyphen, and then whatever else you got going here, you want to click OK, and what you will see now is your title matches your tag. So quickly, each time you create a post, go down and make sure the copying and the pasting took, and we won't necessarily online anyway, go down and do that. So what you see here is the space kind of got screwed up from the copy and paste transfer. And that's typically the only formatting adjustment you may have to make between your Word document or whatever document program you use. And as you can see, we got a little, we got some things going on here. And this probably means keywords. Here we've got some formatting things going on here, but what you want to do is certainly take the time to just quickly check your document, because it could be flawless, but again, sometimes things are, as that old movie said, lost in translation, and that certainly can happen. And it seems like it was a double post, and that's exactly what happened. So what we're going to do is we'll just go ahead and publish this, and we'll fix it offline. So once you do that, you have some options. And when you go down, what you will see is you can also set a featured image here, and then you can categorize. So we'll come back and we will we'll just format this post really quickly, and we'll go on down here and just show you some really basic options for setting your post up for maximum visibility, both on search engines, which is where your website traffic will be generated at most often, as well as on site. Stay with us.